assistant, like you always were able to help me out with whatever.
I think she's a valuable member of the Firestone family because she does her job very well. She helps everybody out in the shop more than most.
Jessica is a wonderful salesperson. She has a good personality. What else can you say? She's perfect.
My name's Dan. I work at Firestone. I've been with Jessica for about 2 years. She's a good person. She's dependable. She's on time. She's always getting the job done.
I would highly recommend her to work for your firm. You would be lucky to have her. She's like I said, she's she's hardworking. She's gonna always be able to accomplish a task. She's moldable. She's eager to learn. I actually had never had an assistant, so she taught me what an assistant was. And to this day, my current assistant, I'm like, well, just did it like this and just did it like that. So she has set the litmus test for me with my expectations as far as an assistant is concerned, even now in my career.